Hey everyone, welcome back to our English conversation practice. Today, we're going to talk about our daily routines. This is one of the most common topics in English, and it's very useful for daily conversations.
That's right, Alex. We'll share our routines, ask each other questions, and also give you some simple phrases that you can use to talk about your own daily life. So, let's get started.
So Emily, tell me, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I'm an early riser. I like to start my day with some light exercise and meditation. What about you?
Honestly, I'm not a morning person. I usually wake up around 7:30 or 8 a.m. The first thing I do is check my phone, but I know it's not a good habit.
Yeah, many people do that. After waking up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I prepare breakfast. Do you make breakfast yourself?
Sometimes. On weekdays, I just have a quick breakfast like toast and tea, but on weekends I enjoy cooking something special. What's your usual breakfast?
I usually eat fruits, oats, or sometimes eggs. I believe a healthy breakfast is very important. After breakfast, I get ready for work. What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for the office. I usually leave home by 9 a.m. My commute takes around 30 minutes. How about you?
My office starts at 10 a.m., so I leave around 9:30. During the ride, I like to listen to podcasts or English audiobooks. It's a great way to use travel time.
That's smart. I often just scroll through social media, but maybe I should also use that time better. So, what does your workday look like?
Usually, I have meetings in the morning and then I work on my projects. I also try to take short breaks to stay fresh. What about your workday?
My workday is quite busy. I reply to emails, attend meetings, and work on reports. Sometimes it gets stressful, but I manage. Do you take lunch at the office?
Yes, I usually bring my lunch from home. It's healthier and saves money. What about you?
Same here. I prefer homemade lunch. After lunch, I continue working until evening. My office finishes around 6 p.m. When do you finish?
Around 6:30 p.m. after work, I like to go for a walk or do some light exercise. How do you spend your evenings?
Honestly, I relax by watching TV shows or cricket matches. Sometimes I read a book. What do you usually watch?
I watch English series or sometimes news. It helps me improve my listening skills. And then I prepare dinner. Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, but not always. If I'm tired, I order food. What's your usual dinner?
I like simple food, vegetables, rice, or chapati. After dinner, I spend some time with family or friends. How do you end your day?
I usually check my phone again, maybe chat with friends, and then go to bed around 11 p.m. What about you?
I try to sleep before 10:30 p.m. because I wake up early. Sleep is important for me.
So friends, this was our daily routine conversation. You can see how we talked about waking up, eating, working, and going to bed.
Exactly. You can use the same sentences to talk about your own daily routine. Try practicing with a friend, or even record yourself speaking.
Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Keep improving your English step by step.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spoken English Without Fear. See you in the next video.